Hello, beautiful people. Hoping you all are doing well. Welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to share a platform where you can buy or sell cryptocurrency, any of it, and that too you can use INR. Okay, Indian currency you can use, any currency you can use. So first of all, I want to show you something. In each and every transaction nowadays metamask is using, and it is the popular platform, okay, one of the popular wallet among all, sorry. So basically we are using metamask usually in every thing, okay. So if we buy from metamask, for example, if I buy ethereum, say, just I have to press the buy button, and UPI. Here I have to put amount, like let's say 200, and then get the code. So here the interesting part is, as you can see this, right, this is the platform they are referring us or redirecting to this platform on ramp. Okay, I'll show you. By, if I press, then it will redirect me to on ramp money platform. Okay, so here it will redirect. So basically how much I am getting for 200, this much I'll be receiving this much. Okay, so now let's go to the same platform directly. Okay, I'll show you. So this is the on-ramp platform where basically we buy or sell cryptocurrency, and other DApps are here also, where you can do staking and all. So let's buy the same ethereum on Arbitrum network. So as you can see, we are getting this much over here. So this is the amount, more than the amount or number which the metamask is providing us. So I'm gonna buy some ethereum for you, just to show you how much they are giving. Okay, so I'm gonna buy like amount of 400. So let's go back to that metamask wallet and let's see how much they are giving us for 400. Okay, the purpose of this video to you all is like, we used to buy now and then cryptocurrencies, small or like a huge amount or a little amount, it doesn't matter, but we used to buy spending some money. So everyone wish to get some more. Okay, so if we go directly metamask and we buy from there itself, so even 0.001 also matters. So if we are getting more by buying the same thing through some other platform, so we can get some benefits, right? So that's the reason why I'm sharing the video. So let's buy here, let's go, and let's put it for 400. Okay, so let's see how much they are giving. So this is the amount, 00253 ethereum. This is not the ethereum you're gonna get. Okay, so after you press buy with this platform, it's gonna change after deducting every service charge and all. Okay, so basically the 253 ethereum, 00253 ethereum they are showing, and after pressing here, they're gonna show you some little bit less. Okay, so it is giving us 37. Okay, so one more thing I have to show you, man. As you can see here, 00253 ethereum, and as you can see here, 379.98 paise, right? So this is the thing they are showing, 379. So if we press over here buy option, so basically you have to pay 400. Okay, so basically you have to pay 400. See, here you are getting 0025, not 3, and here estimated amount you have to pay 400. So basically the amount remaining amount is going with that service taxes and all. Okay, so let's go to this platform again, and here if you are paying 400, that means you are getting 400 for that the ethereum for 400 only. Okay, so some little bit gas fee it will deduct. So let's go ethereum and Arbitrum network. So let's put it here 400. So as you can see, we are getting 0.22 0.25. So there they were showing 0.223. After pressing the buy button, they were showing 0.22. Okay, so here basically you are getting 0.25. So that's the difference, friends. So I guess you can use this platform. So just how to buy, I'm gonna show you. You have to go for proceed button. Then here you have to enter the wallet address where you want to get this Ethereum. So I want to get my Ethereum in this metamask wallet. Okay, so I have to press here and I have to press this receive button. Okay, so just I need to copy this address. Okay, so just copy that and get back. Let's go to that here. So here you have to paste it. That's it. After that, just go to proceed. So it will redirect to this interface. Then it's your wish that whether you want to pay through UPI or bank. Okay, either way you can pay. So I'm gonna go with that bank payment. Okay, so this is the interface they will show. And so here I want to share you something. So basically it was my mistake only. Basically I have to pay 900 for Ethereum, for buying Ethereum. So what I did is by mistake, before also I have bought some crypto from here. So just I did press that same pay button. So 500 amount were there. So the same 500 amount was transacted to this account. So the quote was for 900. So they won't system won't it's unable to search that transaction, so it got failed. So again what I did is silly mistake I did, again I paid 400 extra. So I thought that system will make up, but it didn't make up. So basically I didn't lost actually. So I mailed to that customer care supporting team. So they have replied and they told me the solution how to do it. Basically just I need to repeat that transaction and I need not to pay. Just how to do that I'm going to show you now. So in this video at a time you're gonna learn that if sometime you do mistakes like me, like your transaction didn't happen or some network error, that transaction was unable to get success. So no need to worry, friends. Just you need to repeat that process again. Okay, so basically I paid for 500 and 400. So 500 transaction I did before, and now for showing you people I'm doing that 400 transaction. So whatever amount you are transacting, just you need to repeat that same process. And I have after instead of paying the amount, just you need to claim I have paid. Okay, so just will claim I have paid over here. Okay, so claim the payment, and I have to put the transaction ID. Where I'll find it, I'll show you. There were two transactions over here. One is for 500 and one is for 400. So this transaction I did I just completed before, and now I'm going to complete this transaction. So what I have to do is just I need to click over here and payment detail, I need to go there. Okay, so you need to copy this address. Okay, this UPI reference number you need to copy and just go back to that platform, and you need to paste it over here. Okay, and after pasting just claim it. It will verify, and as you're gonna see that it will start purchasing. Yeah, as you can see that it will start purchasing, and it will send that crypto to my wallet address which I have provided. Okay, so this platform is one of the best platform in my experience, friends. I did bought many cryptos from this platform and never faced any issue. But the day before yesterday, it was my mistake only. That the support team was so active that they, after midnight, I mailed them. So just early in the morning only I got the reply that they got my ticket and they will verify and they will reply to me. And after within a few minutes, they replied me the solution what I have to do. Okay, so I didn't do yesterday, so today I'm doing so long, and still it got resolved, without any issue or without any tension and all. Okay, so what I'm saying is this platform is the best platform. And one more thing about this platform is you can earn by referring. Okay, you can share the referral link so that other can take the benefits from this app, and also you can take the benefit by referring. Like per referral you can earn up to 5 USDT. Okay, So just let's check it out on the blockchain. It's called success, and here you can see that the transaction is successful. Okay, so let's go back. We need this kind of platform where if you face some trouble, there will be some person waiting for you to troubleshoot you, so I love this platform, and I'll share my link in the description below, so that you can use that platform, and you can gain some profit, as I will gain some profit if you use my link, as well as you're gonna get some profit, I'm sure. And you do the same process, you share the app so that other can get the benefit, as well as you can get the benefit. Hope you like this video, and if you like it, then please share it, and hit the like button, and don't forget to press the bell icon so that every update you can get. Okay, comment decently whatever your feelings are there on the video. I'll reply every comment you do, and your comment does matter for me. So yeah, hope you're gonna like this video, and thank you.